Hey everybody, Tyler Griffin with the Miller Realty Group at Keller Williams here. I'm bringing you a virtual open house tour on 1719 Trentwood Drive. It's located at the Waterside at Catawba, which is an absolute amazing community to be in. It has a lot to offer. It has a clubhouse, a outdoor pool, a fitness center, playground, tennis courts, and a walking trail. As you can see, again, this is 1719 Trentwood Drive. It has a fenced-in backyard with a lot of cool features in the backyard that we'll get to later in the video. And then an aerial shot at the community. Like I said, an amazing community to be in. Now we're in the home. As you can see, you walk through the front door and you are greeted with a stairwell to the second floor. On the left will be a powder room. And then if you walk straight back to the house, you'll be in your living room. This living room has a gas log fireplace with plenty of space. It is very bright and open. Beautiful finishes on the fireplace. As you can see, the kitchen and the dining room or living room are very open, so great for entertaining. You also have a dining area here that will easily fit 4 to 6 people along with the bar stools. The kitchen has gorgeous granite countertops, all stainless steel appliances. You have a gas cooktop with the microwave above. You have your castle top cabinets with aftermarket lights. And there's another really cool light here. Gonna need a little bit of a different angle to see it. There you go. And then you have your door to your backyard. Now upstairs you have a loft area. This area can, as you can see, they have a sectional and a TV here. This area can be used for a nursery, a playroom, a man cave, whatever you need the space for, you can definitely use it. You definitely have tons of options. So your master is going to be on your left, and then the 2 secondary bedrooms are going to be on the right. We're going into the master now. Master has plenty of space. As you can see, you have the bed, the dresser, the TV, and the desk. What's really cool about this master is you have 2 walk-in closets, one here and then one here, the other closed door. So no arguing about closet space. You can have you can both have your own. And then we'll make our way into the master bathroom. Dual vanity sinks, as you can see, and then you'll have a garden tub and a walk-in shower. So you can sit and relax, or you can walk into your shower, whatever works best for you. You have your first secondary bedroom. Again, tons of space. You have your bed and dresser, as you saw. Your full bath that's in between both of the secondary bedrooms because they're going to share it. And then your third bedroom. Again, tons of space in this one too. You have your bed, a crib, and sitting area. We're now in the backyard. This backyard has a built-in fireplace, a sitting wall that actually lights up. You can fit at least 6 people out here. So if you like to throw outdoor parties, you are in a perfect spot to be in. This backyard does gradually slope in some areas, but it is big enough to put a pool in. So you do have tons of space. Again, that built-in fireplace and that sitting wall. Beautiful fenced-in backyard. So that's the end of the video. I'm gonna hop over to click through some more photos for you. So you have a 2-car garage, plenty of space in there. I've seen a truck and a car in the driveway. As soon as you walk in, you have your stairs and your dining room. Very, very bright and open. Again, you have your dining room or your dining area. Great finished lights and castle top cabinets. Plenty of space in the kitchen. Your master bathroom. You have your loft with tons of options on what you could use it as. The one thing I do like about this house is there's no space that you walk into and you're like, oh, what am I gonna use this for? Everything is used. This bathroom is actually your powder room. This is a custom vanity with a custom mirror and finishes. Then you have your backyard again with the privacy of the trees because it's backs up to woods. I'll switch over to the MLS to give you a little bit more detail. Like I said before, this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, built in 2017. It has 886 square feet on the main level and then 1,166 on the upper level, which puts you at right over 2,000 square feet. Again, the community, you have a clubhouse, fitness center, outdoor pool, playground, tennis courts, and walking trails. If you have any more questions or want any more detailed information that I didn't get to in this video, reach out. My information will be in the comments for anybody that does have those questions. I thank you for tuning in to my virtual open house. I hope you tune into the ones following this. We will get better at this as we go along. This is newer for some of us. But I just want to say again, thank you for coming by, and I hope you have a good day, good rest of your day, and be safe, please.